Looking for the perfect bookshelf speakers in 2025? We've tested and reviewed the top 5 best options for sound quality, design, and value. Whether you're an audiophile or just upgrading your home setup, this video will help you find the right speakers to suit your needs. Stay tuned for detailed reviews, pros and cons, and real sound tests to make your decision easier. Let's dive into the top picks. Number 5. The Edifier R1280T powered bookshelf speakers offer an impressive combination of sound quality, design, and functionality at a very reasonable price point. With 42 watts RMS power, these speakers deliver clear, natural stereo sound, thanks to the 13mm silk dome tweeter and 4-inch full-range unit. The audio performance is particularly rich for the size, with solid bass response and crisp mids that suit everything from music listening to casual mixing. Connectivity is a breeze, featuring dual AUX inputs that allow simultaneous connection to 2 devices, ideal for users who switch between audio sources. The inclusion of a remote control for volume adjustments adds convenience, while bass and treble knobs on the side panel let you fine-tune the audio to your liking. Design-wise, the Classic wood finish with a high-quality MDF build gives these speakers a stylish, mid-century modern appearance that blends well with most home decor. User reviews consistently praise the easy setup, especially with record players, and highlight the value-for-money sound quality. Many love the warm tone and elegant look, noting they perform far above expectations for this price range. Whether you're connecting to a turntable, computer, or phone, the Edifier R1280T speakers are a smart choice for reliable, great-sounding home audio. Highly recommended for beginners and enthusiasts alike. Number 4. The Polk Monitor XT15 bookshelf speakers deliver premium sound quality in a compact, stylish design. Featuring a 1-inch Terraline tweeter and a 5.25 dynamically balanced woofer, these speakers offer rich, clear audio with a punchy low end and a wide soundstage. They're high-res audio certified and compatible with Dolby Atmos and DTS-X, making them a fantastic choice for both home theater setups and music lovers. Despite their compact size, the XT15s produce an immersive listening experience. Whether placed on bookshelves or speaker stands, they perform impressively as front, rear, or surround speakers. Their 4 and 8-ohm compatibility ensures easy integration with most AV receivers, and they handle streaming from services like Spotify, Tidal, and Amazon Music with clarity and precision. Users praise their build quality, sleek black finish, and superior sound compared to similarly priced competitors. One user noted a noticeable upgrade over older Monster cable speakers in a 5.1.2 setup, while another found the XT15s perfect for closed-wall desktop placement, with excellent voice clarity and a generous sweet spot. If you're building an affordable home theater system or enhancing your desktop audio, the Polk Monitor XT15 offers outstanding value, versatility, and sound quality in its class. A top-tier choice for budget-conscious audio enthusiasts. Number 3. The Klipsch RP-600M reference premier bookshelf speakers deliver exceptional sound performance with bold clarity, deep bass, and striking design. Featuring a 1-inch titanium LTS vented tweeter paired with Klipsch's signature hybrid Tractrix horn and 6.5 spun copper cerametallic woofers, these speakers produce incredibly dynamic and detailed audio that's ideal for both music and home theater use. Thanks to the bass reflex rear-firing Tractrix port, the low end is tight and impactful, providing a surprisingly full sound even without a subwoofer. Many users report that in apartment settings, these speakers alone offer more than enough bass to fill a room almost too much for close neighbors. The dual binding posts allow for bi-wiring or bi-amping, giving audiophiles more control over their setup. Build quality is top tier with a premium ebony finish, magnetic grills, and a robust cabinet that complements modern interiors. Though slightly larger than typical bookshelf speakers, they compensate with superior output and soundstage. User feedback highlights how these outperform smaller models like the RP-150M with improved clarity and depth. Even with Bluetooth sources, Users note excellent detail and responsiveness when paired with quality amplification. If you're seeking powerful bookshelf speakers that rival floor-standing performance, the Klipsch RP-600M is a standout in its class both in looks and audio fidelity. Number 2. The ELAC Debut 3.0 DB63 BK bookshelf speakers offer stunning performance, elegant design, and exceptional value for audiophiles and casual listeners alike. Equipped with a 1-inch aluminum dome tweeter and a 6.5 aramid fiber woofer, these speakers deliver precise, immersive sound across the frequency range from clear, detailed highs to smooth, punchy lows. The redesigned waveguide and phase plug in the tweeter provide wider sound dispersion, creating a balanced listening experience across the room. The aramid fiber woofer adds strength and damping, resulting in excellent bass response and mid-range clarity that outclasses typical polypropylene or paper cone speakers. Thanks to internal bracing, unwanted cabinet vibrations are minimized, ensuring that the sound remains clean and focused. The magnetically attached grills and black ash finish give the DB63S a premium look that fits seamlessly into any setup, whether it's a home theater or desktop rig. User reviews praise the Debut 3.0S for their audio performance and versatility. One user reported outstanding results in a 7.1 surround system, while another highlighted how amazing they sound even in a 2.1 PC setup, delivering impressive bass without a subwoofer and phenomenal clarity once one was added. With efficient power handling and wide amplifier compatibility, the ELAC DB63 BK speakers are a top-tier choice in their price range, truly delivering high-end sound without the high-end price. Number 1. The Dynaudio Evoke 20 bookshelf speakers deliver a refined and emotionally engaging listening experience that lives up to Dynaudio's reputation for high-end Danish craftsmanship. With a maximum output power of 180 watts, these compact speakers offer a warm, full-bodied sound that captures the nuance and depth of your favorite recordings. Fans of the brand, including longtime Dynaudio users, note a clear sonic upgrade from the Emit series, moving from a more analytical sound to a richer, more musical presentation. The Evoke 20s excel in both high-end clarity and mid-bass strength, producing an impressively deep and articulate soundstage without needing a subwoofer. Their sleek gloss white finish and premium build quality make them a stunning addition to any modern listening space. Although technically bookshelf speakers, their power and size lend themselves well to floor stand placement for optimal performance. Users report that the mid-bass output is so strong, room positioning may need adjustment to avoid unwanted reflections, an expected trait for speakers in this performance class. Even without a demo before purchase, listeners found them superior to legacy floor-standing models from other top-tier brands. For discerning listeners seeking balance, warmth, and precision, the Dynaudio Evoke 20 offers high-end performance in a beautifully designed form well worth the investment.